Welcome back, guys. So I haven't shot a video of this car in about 3 years now, and I really haven't done a walk around in about 5 years. So I thought I was a little overdue for an update. Some of you guys have been asking about it and how it's been doing. Well, it's been doing great. Still my daily. It's been such a trooper. It's doing 700 miles a week right now. Mostly highway driving, but still very reliable. Great car to be driving every day to work in all kinds of weather. Still a great car. Really the only changes since last time are that it received, this car received a new exhaust converter because the original one just deteriorated. That's just age. It also has a new section of pipe where the resonator used to be. I deleted the resonator because that just developed a hole in it from natural corrosion. And unfortunately, a little bit of my body rot's back, along with some paint blistering right here on the driver's rear. Passenger side has it too, but it's worse over here. This is the same problem I had 5 years ago, and then I had body work done to fix it, and it's coming back. But that's bad factory welds for you. I'll probably end up getting it redone one more time before this thing rides off into the sunset. Center caps, all four center caps are kind of losing their paint on the Chevy emblems, but once again, that's just age and wear. This car only has 115,000 miles on it, but it is past the infamous 100 mark. If it makes it to 200, that's all I can ask for. If it makes it past that, I'll be grateful. No change to the interior. Still in good shape all the way around. No rips or tears in the driver's seat, which usually gets the most abuse. So, pretty thankful for that. And then, only a few minor things with the engine. And that being, I did the infamous intake gasket change for the manifolds, since these cars have the infamous curse of Dexcool coolant death. If you guys need any information on that, trust me, there's plenty of videos and articles to read about that if you want to know what I'm talking about. It also has a new valve cover and valve cover gasket on the front, courtesy of GM. That was an updated recall a handful of years ago, and I'm not one to turn down free parts. But other than that, still ticking. Great car. Still don't regret buying it. Hopefully I'll have something else up for you guys soon. See you later.